Oh, this looks delicious.
I'm thirsty. Let's choose a drink.
There is a lot of choice.
Oh, I want this.
I want this too.
Oh, let's have food party.
Wow, looks so delicious.
Oh, I love sushi.
Let's try.
Oh, let's have some soy sauce.
I want wasabi.
Do you like fried food?
Yes, of course, it's my favorite. Very yummy.
Oh, how about this?
This is good too. It tastes good.
You try. Oh, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, let's go toilet.
How do you feel?
I vomit and have diarrhea for the whole day.
Oh, what did you eat?
I have sushi for lunch this afternoon.
I see.
Do you know that there's a lot of xenobiotic in a piece of sushi? For example, E. coli. E. coli is a common foodborne pathogen. The food may contaminate it if the chef handle it with uncleaned hand, resulting in food poisoning, including vomiting, diarrhea, dehydration, etc. It is fatal to children, elderly, or immunodeficiency patients. Next is a common parasite, D. lactum, which is known as tapeworm. The larvae will mature in your gut and absorb the nutrients, resulting in abdominal distension, weight loss. If the infection is critical, the patients may even suffer from bowel duct blockage, anemia, inflammation, etc. There are some non-living things too, such as mercury. Mercury poisoning in eating sushi is chronic. It will damage human nervous system. Patients may suffer from memory loss, kidney damage, swelling in limbs, etc. Finally, in 2017, the important salmon have contaminated by antibiotic chloramphenicol. Human body cannot excrete out due to the organic structure of the drugs and accumulate in bone marrow, resulting in anemia or even death.
Oh, I see. And you eat a lot of fried food too.
Fried food is not healthy. Let me tell you the reason. Firstly, fried food contains acrylamide, since when starchy food is cooked by deep frying at high temperature, carbohydrates will react with asparagines and release acrylamide. Keep eating those foods will cause neurological damage of CNS and PNS. It is classified as probable human carcinogen. It leads to a high risk of suffering from breast, ovarian, prostate, and renal cell cancer, etc. Secondly, overfried food will release PAH. Some of the PAH, like BAP, is classified as a carcinogen to human. Always eating those foods will gain a higher risk of suffering from cancer like bladder cancer. Thirdly, oil used for deep fry are usually sunflower oil or corn oil. Its high polyunsaturated fat will be degraded to form toxic aldehyde when oil is heated up for long hours. This makes us have a higher chance to get heart disease, cancer, dementia, and neurological disorders. Lastly, fried food has high calories and rich content in fat, especially unhealthy fats to humans like saturated fat and trans fat. This brings us a high cholesterol content in body and easily suffering from heart disease, stroke, cancer, and obesity. Therefore, I recommend you not to eat too much fried food because it is very unhealthy to our body.
Oh, apart from the oily crab cake and sushi, the pearl milk tea is also very unhealthy. This is because it contains powerless plasticizers, it is an endocrine disruptor, and could interfere the functioning of the endocrine system in the body. Large doses of public intakes leads to the increased incidence of developmental abnormalities such as skeletal malfunctions. An increased fetal death is observed in experimental animal studies. Males might even suffer more, since it is found that immature male reproductive tract is resulted with the exposure of the pelvis plasticizers. Increased incidence of undescended testes, decreased testis rates, and decreased anogenital distance are observed.
And now let me prescribe you some medicine and hope you get well soon. I see you.
Thank you. Bye.